A is equal to theta, sin theta is equal to tan theta, and B is equal to theta such that cos theta is equal to 1, and they want you to, you have the options A is equal to B, A is not subset of B, B is not subset of A, and so on. The question is visible for you, and then now here children, you need to find out the solutions of this set, is it not? Solutions of these equations. Again you see, this is a composition of, like, it is the sets and the trigonometry equations, solutions of trigonometric equations have been fused together. So let us see now. See, I will do the solution in detail. Sin theta is equal to tan theta, and I can write sin theta minus sin theta by cos theta is equal to 0. Am I right? Because I have pushed off tan theta to this side. I will take out sin theta common, then you have 1 minus 1 by cos theta is equal to 0. I will take sin theta is equal to 0. One option I am taking 0. Now how do you write the general solution you have learnt in first PU, in the 11th standard, and now here you see sin theta is equal to 0, theta is equal to n pi plus or minus alpha. You have learnt the solution like that, where alpha is, this is nothing but sin 0 degree. So n pi plus 0, which means theta is equal to n pi, means what all your answers, what all will be the answer? You see that A is equal to 1 pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, all the answers will be present. And we also write n belonging to z, which means you have plus or minus pi, plus or minus 2 pi, plus or minus 3 pi, and this is going to continue because set is a infinite set, z is a infinite set. Likewise, I am coming to the other part. You have cos theta is equal to 1, cos theta is equal to 1 is equal to cos of what degree is 1? Cos 0 degree, and theta is equal to general solution, you write 2 n pi plus or minus 0, n belonging to z. But then you see children, this is 2 times pi, only even numbers will come. So you have this B set will be having minus 2 pi, minus 4 pi, and when you put 1, 2 and so on, of course you will have 0. But what you see is B is inside A, and what we see is B is subset of A, but this option is not given in the CPP question, in the CPP question, the solutions, they have not given B as subset of A. Therefore, we have, so the option is, the option was A is not subset of B. The correct option, the only which would match was A is not subset of B. Instead it was B subset of A. We have one more question like that. A is subset of B, then what is A delta B equal to? And the option were A minus B intersection B minus A, B option was B minus A, C option was A minus B, and D option is none. And here children, when we say A is subset of B, this implies that when you subtract it, you get null set, is it not? And so this is the condition, we are using this condition. Now I have to find out A delta B. A delta B formula is A minus B union B minus A. Now since this is phi union B minus A will be equal to B minus A itself. So the answer was B option.